Same shelf, all 88 to 91 CRX. Strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper. I tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. Clown extension, we'll go normal size now. Models with the passive seat belts are going to have a fuse block here, so a lot of models don't have this fuse block, and it's no big deal if yours doesn't. These are two little hook bolts. So once I get these nuts free, you need a long one to get at these guys, but you don't have to take the nut all the way off. Once they're a little bit loose, they'll come undone like that, and then putting them back on, you're kind of at the same spot you were. So battery hold down bracket, OEM in nice shape. And a Duracell made on 12 of 19. Battery tray, be careful, I can sometimes have battery acid in it. This one looks like it is just dirt, but that'd be something you want to rinse off right away and or get out of your hair, put in a bag. So nice with this battery shelf out of our way. So we're back to 12mm bolts on this battery shelf. And there's one hidden one down in here. The other three are nice and visible, but this one. Millimeters just go faster with the power tools. The 10 is quick and easy to do small stuff, but this is another thing you'll get coated in battery acid and be kind of nasty, but this one isn't. Same shelf, all 88 to 91 Civic and CRX.